This is a typical upstairs classroom in the renovated area. We have cubbies for our students, lots of storage for the teachers. We have brand new windows to bring in a lot of natural light. More storage. Every classroom has a sink. Every classroom has new technology to go along with plenty of whiteboards. Hallway has an LJ water bottle filler. Each hallway has plenty of bulletin boards. We have display cases in each hallway. Each classroom has audio enhancement systems, which means we have speakers in the ceilings that a teacher can be mic'd so that the students can hear the teacher. And the color patterns match our school colors. You got blue, you got white.